Hi guys, it's Mansoor Alam here from Tekmatrix Tech. So guys, in this video we will talk about how we can design logos, for our business, for ourselves, or for any of the business, for one of our clients. So guys, let me tell you something about myself. I'm a website designer, developer. I do SEOs and digital marketing services. I do provide. So guys, and even I provide online classes as well, live classes is provided. So in case if somebody needs our services for web designing or SEO or online class, you guys contact me. I provide my number in the description along with my email ID, and my number is +918013470356. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, just subscribe to the channel, just like it, and click on the bell icon so that in future also you get a notification for my new videos. So before making any delay, guys, so let's see how we can design a logo, a beautiful logo in short period of time, and it's very easy. So in order to do that, guys, I'm logging to canva.com, though you can design your logo on various platforms, but this is the easier platform where you can design it on nice logos. So I'm already logged into canva.com. I'll also give you the description of the website, and I'm trying to show you the website name. It's already canva.com. I'm already logged into. Now once you are logged into canva.com, guys, can you see like a create designs option is here? Just click on this, and just can you see a logo option is coming here. In case if you don't find any option like logo, just search it, just type it logo, and you will get lots of options. So I'll create a logo. So guys, once you click on logo, you get already ready-made, already prepared logo as well. Can you see that? And you can create it from a scratch. Can you see a blank interface comes here? Now if you want to change the background color of this, you can change it from here. You can change varieties of color from here, you know. So for example, let's try designing something from very scratch. Now I'm choosing the background color as black, and can you see element section from here? From here, just click to element, and you can select any design as per your choice. For example, I'm choosing this one. Can you see that? Like, I can drag and drop any shapes and any thing from the element section. Now I have dropped this icon and I want to write something about myself. Now I'll come to the text icon, click on that, and I'll write a heading. So I'll type Tekmatrix Tech. Can you see, guys? I have written Tekmatrix Tech. Now in order to like shorten or increase the size, I'll just reduce the size of the, so that it comes in between of the figure or the ring that you can see. So I've written Tekmatrix Tech, and you can even include more options. You can include more symbols out here. Let me show you how to choose some more symbols. Now for example, I want to select other options, other symbol as well. So let's see, I'm dragging uh, this one. So can you see that a figure came up? So I don't know whether you liked it or not, but this is the thing. This is how you can choose your things from element section, and you can do the things. Now I'll just click on add pages, and I'll show you how you can do from a ready-made templates. The templates already have on Canva. So can you see one of already prepared logo is here? Just drag and drop it to the box here. Now can you see a fitness club? Now you can enter your company details out here. If you have a gym or fitness or related some business, you can enter your company name. For example, I'm going to enter Tekmatrix Tech. Can you see? So this is the way you can design beautiful logos, and once you are done you can click on share button. So just click on share and just click on download. Now it's asking two pages are there, which one I want to download. The first I would like to download the second options, page 2. Now it's already downloaded. So let's see, open our logos guys, how it appears. So I'm just trying to open my logo that I created right now. So Tekmatrix Tech, can you see? This is the logo that I prepared right now. So in this way guys, you too can design beautiful logos on canva.com. So I'll give the description, like the name of this website in the description as well, along with my phone number and email IDs. So in case if you guys anybody need my services, you contact me. So I believe guys you liked it, you liked the video. Just share it with your near and dear ones. Just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.